Today we got the Valtcan T35 Titanium Wok. I'm going to show you guys a quick assembly of the handle and an overview of the titanium wok. This is everything you get in the set. You have the instruction manual, the wok itself, and the handle. Just quickly assemble the handle first. So it comes 90% assembled already. You see the handle holder right here is attached to the wok. You don't need to tighten this anymore. We tightened it for you. So take the wooden handle, insert it as far as it could go. And then on this end, you see a washer. Make sure that's seated at the end of the handle. Then screw clockwise. Probably need to screw around 15 turns clockwise, and then once you hit a point, you can't screw it any longer, it's secure. Test it out, and we recommend you tighten this maybe once every few times you use the wok, just to make sure it's firmly secured. This is a traditional round bottom wok. So it works very well on gas stoves as well as campfires or outdoor wok burners. If you have a induction burner, I'm sorry, you can't use this. This is pure titanium, grade 1 titanium, so it's non-magnetic. And it won't work for induction stoves. Move this box aside so you get a better view. So the surface is heat treated to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. It produces this really glossy and smooth surface that you see right here. It's not exactly non-stick. It behaves more like a stainless steel wok. So if there is food particles or stains that you want to get rid of, we recommend you soak it overnight with some dish detergent, and then you with a non-scratching scrub, just scrub away any debris you see on the wok. This is dishwasher safe, but you need to remove the handle. Again, this is non-coated. This is not cladded. It's just 2 millimeter thick titanium.